Yes, we're staying at 4 Mile Creek State Park. Thank you. Don't tie it.
You don't want to tie it?
So if you're staying at any of the New York State parks, you get in here for free. You just have to tell them you're staying at the state park. This is a beautiful park. Okay, there you go. There's the layout of everything. American Falls, Canadian Falls, Goat Island. We're gonna go check that out today, I think. But first, we're gonna go check out Maid of the Mist. See if we can get sprayed by the falls.
And freeze to death.
Yeah. So the Maid of the Mist is $25 a person for adults, and I think it was $14 for kids.
Yeah, I can't remember.
I don't remember the age range, but we'll see if it's worth it. We'll see if it's worth the 25 bucks if I don't fall down the stairs. They're gonna give us a poncho so we won't get too wet. Maybe. It's exciting.
On the bridge.
Yeah, it's included when you buy a ticket for the...
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. So your $25 a person also gets you access to this observation deck. If you don't want to go on the Maid of the Mist, it's $1.25. Wow. If you're going to come to the US side only, you have to come up here on the observation deck because the view down there, you can't see the Canadian Falls at all. So let's take a look.
Look at the people.
Already feeling the mist. You already feel the mist?
It's a little chilly today.
Actually, it's not bad. It's like 78 out here, I think. Oh, we got our ponchos. Your poncho. That's a hint of what's to come.
We have to put it on.
Let's see. Which is the top?
Whew. This stuff keeps me warm.
Up here.
Where's the head hole?
Right there.
Okay.
Okay. We figured it out.
Where's my phone? Got it.
Did you figure it out?
Yeah, is it pulled down in the back?
Yeah.
Is yours?
Yeah. Stick my phone in my side pocket. It'll fit. There we go. Don't tie it.
You don't want to tie it?
This is an all-electric boat, so we're hoping that the batteries don't go dead.
That would not be fun.
Because I don't see any solar panels, so
Just a little one up there.
it's probably, I don't know. I don't know how they do it, but
A lot of lithium batteries.
yeah. Well, we're off.
Thousands of yearly visitors. We know we have a responsibility to help protect them.
Excuse me. Are you wet? I'm drowning. That's just a mist. Woo! Good thing it's fresh water, not salt water. You drowned your phone?
I'm trying to take a picture of that.
You got makeup all over your face. Wow.
It didn't come off the palm.
Yeah, it's not waterproof. All right, we're heading back. It's the observation deck. I can't even see out of mine. She's coming. Whew. Where is she? Oh, she's right there at the very bottom.